Living in Deltona, Florida, means enjoying the beautiful sunshine, warm temperatures, and the occasional tropical storm. While these conditions make for a great outdoor lifestyle, they can also impact the energy efficiency and comfort of your home. If you find that your cooling costs are rising, or your home is uncomfortable, the culprit may be your old windows. Energy-efficient windows can help resolve these issues while offering a host of additional benefits, from lowering your utility bills to enhancing the overall comfort of your living space. In this article, we'll discuss how energy-efficient windows in Deltona can save you money, improve your home's comfort, and increase your home's overall value. Lower your utility bills. It's one of the primary reasons homeowners in Deltona choose to upgrade to energy-efficient windows is the potential to save money on utility bills. Florida's hot and humid climate can lead to high cooling costs as your air conditioning works overtime to keep your home comfortable. Inefficient windows may be letting cool air escape while allowing heat to enter, making it harder to maintain a stable indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows, such as those with double pane or triple pane glass, are designed to reduce heat transfer by adding layers of glass and gas-filled spaces between the panes. This insulating barrier prevents warm air from infiltrating your home during the summer and keeps cool air inside. The result? Your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, and you'll see a significant reduction in your monthly energy bills. Better temperature control and comfort. In Deltona, where temperatures can reach over 90 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer, keeping your home cool is a top priority. Energy-efficient windows provide superior insulation that helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. By reducing heat transfer and preventing drafts, these windows ensure that your home stays cool in the summer and warm in the winter. In addition to regulating the temperature, energy-efficient windows help eliminate drafts around your windows and doors, which can lead to cold spots in winter or stuffy rooms in summer. As a result, your home becomes more comfortable and consistent in temperature, no matter the season. This improved comfort means fewer hot or cold areas in your home, making it easier to maintain a pleasant living space year-round. Protect your home from UV damage. The Florida sun can be intense, and prolonged exposure to UV rays can damage your furniture, flooring, and artwork. Over time, these rays can cause fading, discoloration, and wear on your prized possessions. The good news is that energy-efficient windows can help protect your home's interior from UV damage. Many modern energy-efficient windows are equipped with low-E, low-emissivity coatings, which reflect UV rays while still allowing visible light to enter. These coatings help block a significant amount of harmful UV rays from reaching your furniture, carpets, and walls, preserving their color and quality. In addition to improving your home's energy efficiency, these windows help keep your interior looking vibrant and fresh for years to come. Noise reduction for a quieter home. In addition to temperature control and UV protection, energy-efficient windows offer an added benefit: noise reduction. Deltona is a growing area, and whether you live near a busy street, a highway, or an airport, noise from outside can make its way into your home. If you're tired of hearing constant traffic or neighborhood sounds, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can help create a quieter living space. Thanks to their multi-pane construction, these windows are excellent at reducing sound transmission from the outside. The layers of glass and insulating gas between the panes act as a sound barrier, keeping unwanted noise from entering your home. This added layer of soundproofing makes your home a more peaceful and relaxing environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Environmental benefits. Switching to energy-efficient windows is not only a smart financial decision but also an eco-friendly choice. These windows help to reduce energy consumption, meaning your home uses less energy to maintain a comfortable temperature. This reduction in energy use lowers your carbon footprint, contributing to a more sustainable and eco-conscious lifestyle. In a time when energy conservation is more important than ever, installing energy-efficient windows is a great way to do your part in preserving the environment. By making this upgrade, you're not only saving money but also reducing your impact on the planet. Increase your home's value. Another significant benefit of energy-efficient windows is the potential to increase your home's value. Homebuyers today are more environmentally conscious and are looking for homes with energy-efficient features that will save them money in the long run. By upgrading your windows, you can make your home more attractive to potential buyers, who will appreciate the added comfort, energy savings, and environmental benefits. In fact, homes with energy-efficient windows often sell faster and at a higher price than those with older, inefficient windows. If you plan to sell your home in the future, installing these windows is a smart investment that can boost its marketability and value. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Energy-efficient windows are designed to last longer than traditional windows, which means you won't have to worry about frequent replacements or repairs. Many modern windows are made from durable, low-maintenance materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, which can withstand the harsh Florida climate. These windows are resistant to moisture, rotting, and warping, and they require little upkeep to keep them in top condition. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you're making a long-term investment in the durability and longevity of your home. Conclusion. Why energy-efficient windows are a smart investment in Deltona. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows in Deltona offers numerous benefits, from lowering your utility bills to improving your home's comfort, noise reduction, and aesthetic appeal. These windows not only save you money but also contribute to a more eco-friendly lifestyle and increase the value of your home. If you're looking to enhance your home's energy efficiency, reduce energy costs, and enjoy a more comfortable living environment, energy-efficient windows are the perfect solution. With the hot Florida summers and unpredictable weather patterns, investing in these windows is a smart choice that will pay off in the long run, keeping your home comfortable, sustainable, and beautiful for years to come.